Hello again and welcome to Module 6. This is the Module 6 of Tourism Management, and in this module we'll be discussing sustainable and responsible tourism. We'll be discussing sustainable and responsible tourism. So the first slide here we have the introduction. Tourism is one of the largest and fast-growing industries in the world. While it contributes significantly to economic growth, employment, and cultural exchange, it also has the potential to cause environmental degradation, social inequality, and cultural erosion if not properly managed. As a global community, as the global community becomes more conscious of climate change and sustainability issues, there is a growing demand for tourism that benefits both the visitor and the host community without compromising the needs of future generation. Future generation. This has given rise to the concept of sustainable tourism and responsible tourism, two closely related approaches that aims to ensure that the tourism industry operates ethically, equitable, and with long-term viability. So what are the learning objectives? At the end of this module, learners should be able to define sustainable and responsible tourism, identify key principles and pillars of sustainable tourism, explain the role of stakeholders in promoting responsible tourism, explain global best practice and case studies of sustainable tourism, develop strategies for implementing responsible tourism in initiatives. So third slide here, we'll be talking about understanding sustainable tourism. So according to the World Tourism Organization, sustainable tourism is tourism that takes full account of its current and future economic, social, and environmental impacts, addressing the needs of visitors, the industry, the environment, and host communities. In simpler terms, it means developing tourism in a way that ensures the benefits are shared widely, the environment is preserved, and local cultures are also preserved. Now here we have understanding responsible tourism. As you can see, in this previous one, we did understanding sustainable tourism. Here now, we're going to do responsible tourism. Responsible tourism focuses on the actions and behaviors of all the tourism stakeholders, including tourists, operators, and governments, to ensure tourism is conducted in a fair, ethical, and sustainable manner. It emphasizes individual and corporate responsibility for minimizing negative impact and maximizing benefits to local communities. In summary, sustainable tourism is the goal. Responsible tourism is the means to achieving it. So sustainable tourism is the goal. Responsible tourism is the means to achieving it. So here we have the three pillars of sustainable tourism. Sustainable tourism rests on three interconnected pillars, often referred to as the three bottom line, TBL. Number one, we have economic sustainability. This involves ensuring the tourism This involves ensuring that tourism generates long-term economic benefits for stakeholders, especially local communities. Number two, we have social and cultural sustainability. Tourism must pro tourism must promote social social equity, cultural respect, and community participation. Number three, we have environmental sustainability. This pillar focuses on maximizing eco the ecological footprint of tourism through responsible resource use, waste management, conservation efforts, and reducing carbon emission. It also encourages eco-friendly infrastructure and sustainable transport options. So these are the three pillars of sustainable tourism. Now we also have six here. We have six here. We also have key principles of sustainable tourism. So what are the key principles of sustainable tourism? Number one, we have minimizing environmental impact, which means reducing waste, energy use, and pollution. Number two, we have protecting natural and cultural heritage. That means safeguarding biodiversity and traditional sites. Number three, we have providing eco-social benefits. That is creating local jobs and supporting small businesses. Number four, we have engaging local communities, which means involving residents in planning and making decisions. Number five, we have ensuring visitor satisfaction, providing meaningful and educational experiences. Number six, we have maintaining long-term viability, ensuring destinations remain attractive and functional for the future. So these are the six principles of sustainable tourism. Next slide here, we have the role of stakeholders. The role of stakeholders in sustainable tourism. We've already established what the stakeholders have, who the stakeholders are. So in this slide, we're talking about their role in sustainable tourism. Number one, the government. They are responsible for policy and eco-friendly incentives. Number two, we have the tour operators. They are they are their role is to adopt green practice. Number three, communities participate and benefit from it. Communities are expected to participate and benefit from tourism. And then number four, we have the tourists behave ethically. Tourists are expected to behave ethically. Then number five, we have NGOs and slash academia promote sustainability. NGOs are responsible for promoting sustainability. Now we have global best practice and case study. Global best practice and case study. So we have Costa Rica, ecotourism model. They are known for their ecotourism model. We have Kenya. Kenya is known for its community-based tourism. We have Norway. Norway is known for its sustainable destination management. And then Rwanda. Rwanda is known for its conservation-driven guerrilla tourism. So these are, we just narrowed it down to four global best practice and case studies. So these are the case studies. Here we have the benefits of sustainable and responsible tourism. So this is the benefits. Number one benefit is economic benefits. Of course, we have talked about it several times. Job creation, diversification of local economy, and improved infrastructure. Environmental benefit protects the ecosystem and biodiversity. Cultural benefits, revitalization of local local traditions and heritage. Social benefits, enhance community well-being and empowerment, long-term resilience, ensures destinations can adapt to climate and market change. Okay, so what are the challenges? Challenges facing sustainable tourism. So despite its advantage, sustainable tourism faces several implementation barriers. Number one challenge here is lack of awareness. Many travelers and businesses are still unaware of sustainability principles. The awareness is still in the lack. Number two, we have high cost. Eco-friendly infrastructures often require significant investment. It's expensive. That is what it basically means. Policy gap, weak enforcement of environmental regulation, weak enforcement of environmental regulation, over tourism. Popular destinations suffer from crowding and overuse. Crowding and overuse. Here, the next one here we have greenwashing. Businesses falsely claim sustainability for marketing purpose. They falsely claim sustainability for marketing purpose. And they also have climate change. Unpredictable weather pattern can also affect tourist flow and the ecosystem. So these are the challenges. So we have here strategies for promoting sustainable tourism. So what are the best strategies for promoting sustainable tourism? Number one, we have education and training, building awareness among tourism professionals and also the travelers. Government policy support, introduce tax incentives and environmental standards, eco certification programs, encourage hotels and operators to adopt green labels, community empowerment, support local ownership and participation, technology and innovation, promote digital solution for waste reduction and smart travel. Partnership, collaboration between government, private sector, NGOs for sustainability goals. Visitor management plan, introduce limits to prevent overcrowding in fragile areas. And then we also have monitoring and evaluation. Regularly assess sustainability performance. Regularly assess sustainability performance. So here we have role of tourism professionals. So what are the role of tourism professionals? Professionals in tourism management have a key role in advancing sustainability. They have a very key role and they should do the four things. Number one, design and implement eco-friendly travel packages. Number two, educate clients about responsible behavior. Number three, partner with local suppliers to ensure fair trade. And number four, advocate for sustainable policy reforms within their organization. In conclusion, sustainable and responsible tourism provides the blueprint for balancing economic benefits with environmental preservation and cultural respect. As the global tourism industry evolves, professionals must prioritize practices that protect destinations, empower communities, and ensure long-term growth. Through it's true sustainability is not an optional trend. It is the foundation for the future of tourism management. Thank you very much and see you in Module 7.